stuff, हर चीज बड़ी बातें कर रहे हैं I ate it up. You don't do controversial stuff. I heard actors earn a lot. Hello everybody, welcome to Sunday Unscripted with me, Uzan Khan, and today we have a person, a very talented individual, a person good looking, amazing actor, and I think he is like a wine, he's getting better with time. So please give it up for one and only Khushal Khan. How do you like the intro?
I love it.
It was nice, right? That's a perspective. Khushal, firstly, thank you for doing this, and thank you. This is your second cover with Sunday.
Yes.
Overall, you've done just 2 covers.
If you exclude the market, yes.
Main editorials.
Yes.
How did you like this shoot, person?
I really enjoyed it. I really liked it. How about you? How did you like it?
I loved it. You look hot.
I
Without
think it's
showing
one of
any
the-
skin. Did you say that?
Without showing any skin.
Yeah.
Yes. I think this is one of the. It's gonna go down in history. Sunday night is one of the best.
I'm glad. I hope so. हम बड़ी बातें कर रहे हैं.
There's a lot of coincidence that took place, so don't mind.
Yeah. अच्छा खुशाल, let me start from the start where you started your career as an actor. यह आपका एक मॉडलिंग का बड़ा फैंटास्टिक करियर, then you transition to acting. वो एक ट्रांजिशन बड़ा मुश्किल होता है क्योंकि आप एक ऑलरेडी फील्ड में इस्टेब्लिश हो, फिर आप क्योंकि फैशन के साथ मेरे ख्याल से शहर भी चेंज होता है जब आप एक्टिंग के लिए जाते हो कराची एंड यू आर इन लाहौर और फिर कराची. सो किस्सा मेहरबानों का, which I personally feel you did a fantastic job as a debut project. So कैसे transition? You always wanted to be an actor या ये
Since day one, I think I remember I was 9 years old when I wanted to. I did a school theatre play back in Shara, and ever since then I've been like really digging into it. Like, what's this all about? What's it like being an actor, and what are the lies and all that, doing research here and there. So yeah, it's been a goal of mine since day one. I haven't reached it yet. I'm still on the way, baby steps taking. But there's a long way to go.
जैसे अब हम बात करें recent times में, एक तरफ दुनियापुर चल रहा है, एक तरफ एक और ड्रामा आपका चल रहा है at the same time.
No, just one right now.
Right now.
As we speak.
Okay. But अभी खत्म हुआ है मेरे ख्याल
Yes.
से, where you were the
Yes.
cricketer and
Yeah.
वो वाला. So वो दोनों बड़ी different characters हैं. अगर दुनियापुर में देखें, it's like more gangster, action packed, हर चीज. And that was very masoom सा, raw, real. How do you choose your characters? Because हमारे unfortunately एक चीज़ ये भी है हमारे इंडस्ट्री में कि अगर आपको टाइप कास्ट करने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ता कोई.
Yeah, for sure. The thing is, what I believe is there's no possible logic to it like that. It's just that who you are as a human being, you understand scripts in a better way. If you have the knowledge of scripts, if you have the knowledge of like what's good and what's bad, and what type of genre you want to explore, then I think the scripts chooses you. I think they pick you, to perform. It's like how do I say it in a simple way? If it hits right on the spot, I'll do it. If it doesn't, there's nothing that can do it.
Are you the kind of actor that asks for script? कि मुझे script
Oh
चाहिए.
yeah, 100%.
तो मैंने बहुत ऐसे एक्टर देखे कि जो बस सिर्फ कहानी का
No.
साइनॉप्सिस सुन के कहते हैं हाँ ठीक है, let's do it.
No, not doing that. Not doing that. I will always read the script. I always read the script. My mother reads it first, and when she says that okay, good to go, then I read it. But I always read scripts. Like I never want to do any project without reading scripts.
So that's the entire process. क्योंकि आपको character समझ भी आ जाता है, then you love playing it also on screen.
Yes.
क्योंकि इसको कोई मतलब ही नहीं है कि
But then you do your proper homework, and when you do a lot of homework, then you forget it when you're on set. But it's good to do a lot of homework because it's in your subconscious, and then you try to act on it. Like, then you automatically act. So it's good to read your script. It's good to do homework and like make a character and build up stuff and all that, and then just not every script requires building up characters and all that. But yeah, it's important.
कुछ हमारे अपने अच्छे scripts हो जाते हैं.
Dekho ja. Yes.
By the way, we are not doing a BBC interview. It's a Sunday, so we can switch to Urdu as well. Okay, अब हम हमारी उर्दू भी देखती है, ऐसे.
तो आप मुझसे उर्दू में सवाल
मैं उर्दू में कर रहा हूँ. I'm trying to. Sorry, ये मेरा मसला था, इसलिए I'm reminding myself as well at the same time. खुशहाल, I wanted to ask this कि एक तो हम चलो एज एन एक्टर ऑल्सो यू हैव अ प्रोसेस टू डू योर स्टफ हर चीज एक हम when we are in a space how you deal with all the negativity of course क्योंकि आपको कभी कभी चीज़ें हिट भी करती है as a human being because हम लोग ग्रामर देखते हैं हर चीज़ देखते हैं but behind the scenes how do you keep yourself sane at the same time?
I don't care about it. No, I'm not about the negativity, nothing at all. It comes, goes. It's, I don't really think about these things that much. I genuinely don't think about these things. I mean, personally, if
You go with the flow.
Yeah, but I don't bring it to my professional life at all. I keep it away. I know how to do these things personally. I'm not active or child or whatever, I'm just myself,
Yeah.
everybody else and all that. I don't really think about these things. My priorities are like my family, my people. As long as they don't do things, they're happy. I don't care about anything.
That's
But I
really
do
good
care about
approach.
like, you know, ठीक है सही चीज़ सही जगह पे करनी है लेकिन उसको the negativity to let it affect me, I don't do that. That's yeah.
You just
अभी तक तो अल्लाह का फजल तो करम
because everybody is praising you for all your performances to be very honest
Alhamdulillah.
which is an amazing thing because and credit goes to you as well because you choose your stuff really wisely वो एक plus point है. Okay Kushal so do you have any friends in the industry actors?
I'm friends with some.
Some trying सही से दोस्ती है मतलब words वाला scene है.
Like we hang out, we have a good time.
Okay. I asked this question because there's मेरा एक बड़ा ही intention है इसके पीछे. I'm going to give you a situation जहाँ पे आपने 1 लाख रुपए मांगने हैं because you are stuck somewhere whatever and you have to convince that person whatever that person is to send you 100k ASAP.
Like an actor?
An actor. Yeah.
Okay. Who do you want to call?
Anybody. उस पे
Do you have anybody in mind specifically?
No, I'm chill. I'm chill with anybody. I just put you on spot, but obviously let's see who picks Prashant Khan's call. ये मेरा caption होएगा.
Okay, so let's see.
You have to put him on speaker from get go.
ठीक है.
That's the situation.
Let me call. Who? So many people in
Who
mind.
are you friends with? There should be
I'll
like-
call. You know what? I'll call.
Ali Rahman.
Ali Reza.
Ali Reza.
I'll call Ali Reza. Bring him on speaker.
Yeah. Mic के साथ.
I know he's on set right now. He's shooting. Assalamualaikum. क्या हाल है अली? मैं बिल्कुल ठीक है. लगा शुक्र से मेरी बात सुनो यार. एक मसला हो गया. यार मैं मसला और मेरे हाल में हो गया. तू तेरे पास अभी पैसा है? तुम 1 लाख भेज सकते हो मुझे बात करने के ठीक है.
That was a prank. Thank you so much. You saved it.
इज्जत बचा रही थी.
Good job.
हाँ. अच्छा पैसे भेज दे.
Good job.
पैसे बता दो भाई. चल मान लो मेरी अकाउंट डिटेल्स नहीं शर्म आती है. चलो चल ठीक है.
I can now guarantee say that he has friends in the industry. Good thing.
ठीक है भैया मुझे कॉल कर. ओके.
That was so cute, was it? He just instantly said, "Okay, send me your
Ah.
bank details." Very nice. You have friends. Congratulations. I just want to shake your hand.
Shake my hand because I just got in my hands.
That's true. अच्छा कोई ऐसा कभी ऐसा कोई इंस्टेंट हुआ है जहाँ पे you felt कि किसी जगह पे शूट कर रहे हैं हम या कोई हॉन्टेड से सिचुएशन हुई कभी हॉरर स्टोरीज है ऐसी?
Haunted सी situation.
हाँ क्योंकि मेरे साथ हुआ है मतलब मुझे एक शीशे में कोई अक्स नजर आया था फिर बाद में पता चला मेरा ही था.
Yeah, I would be scared of that too.
See, he's so
No, but I think दो दफा इस तरह कोई इंसिडेंट हुआ है लेकिन मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ. सेम से हमारी सेट पे हुआ लेकिन मुझे अगले दिन पता चला कि ये हुआ.
Okay.
So I haven't.
So are you scared of ghosts?
Ghost?
हाँ मतलब जिन type.
I not like that.
I'm so
Like
scared.
I won't be scared walking alone in the middle of the road at night or like anywhere.
In Karachi में तो you should be scared.
तो वो भूत थोड़ी होता है।
वो भूत ही है, दिखते थोड़ी है, कहीं से भी आ जाते हैं, फोन छीन के चले जाते हैं।
हाँ।
इट्स नॉट, हमारे मुल्क अच्छा है और सुकून भी है, पीस भी है, whatever. खैर, that's
जो है।
yeah, we are manifesting for the peaceful nation. कभी कोई प्रैंक किया किसी के साथ, आपसे कोई प्रैंक हुआ है ऐसा ऐसा?
What kind of?
मतलब कोई एक्सट्रीम हो गया है, you felt like, oh my god, this is too much now.
I did it. I did it once when I was like before that when I was in school and Maz and me we both were हमने एक सिक्योरिटी गार्ड का वो जो था वो क्या बोलते थे
कोट
और हाँ उनका जो कोट है वो जैकेट होता है वो लिया और we had a camera, had a whole setup, mic भी था, बैटरी mic बनाया, so we went on the road and we wanted to prank रास्ते में लोगों को जैसे ट्रैफिक वाले हैं and मास्क करने का. So it ended up, long story short, it ended up police coming to my house and asking for the camera and the card and taking me in custody.
God.
And then, but I didn't go.
Oh, hero है.
No, he बस वो वाली situation है. I don't think I should.
Okay, इसमें ज़्यादा हम रोशनी नहीं डालेंगे.
Yes.
वो वाला पार्ट है. अच्छा, खुशहाल, any such instances in your life where you felt कि यार इस बंदे को ना मैंने अब मार देना है, बट वो लिहाज में इंसान के तक चल जाने दे. मतलब कोई सेट पे ऐसा नाम नहीं पूछूंगा, obviously we don't do controversial stuff, we are not other magazines, but
yeah, it happened very recently when you wanted me to do this Bada classes of yours.
he is just pulling me in this interview, but I'm loving it. That's fine. That's fine. अच्छा, moving ahead with एक सवाल है, if you had to have dinner with any person from the past.
From the past.
Yeah, dead. मतलब fourth में लेकिन you had to go on a dinner date with that person specifically.
Dinner date?
Date in the sense like
just
dinner,
go for a
dinner, yeah.
I won't
Date
want
क्या
to.
है मुद्दों के साथ हम date करेंगे?
I want food. I want to go on dinner with. I would. There's a lot of people, man. Like I don't know if I should just pick one. There are athletes, there are actors, there are.
Pick one.
You pick one. You tell me. I'll just carry my action.
I think Lady Diana.
No, give me the category.
Okay.
He's so like how do I know?
Because I would love to go on like dinner date with Lady Diana.
Yeah, that's your wife right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, can you give me a specific category? Yeah, actors.
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 Yeah.
Okay, actors. I would love to go on and have dinner with Daniel Day-Lewis for sure. It would be tough to get him, but yeah, for sure.
It's just task though.
It's still a task. But
There is a very silly joke, but I just ate it out. I ate it out. Now I'm going to give you people's name and you have to give them advice.
give them advice.
Yeah. Like कुछ भी हो सकता है. So I'm not going to add Pakistani industry as much. I'm going to add like Bollywood and Hollywood and a bit of that.
Okay.
So वो फिर लोग क्लिप ना लगाए ना कि खुशहाल है किसी के बारे में ये
That's very good.
वैसे ही बोलेंगे. So let's start from Fahad Mustafa.
What advice would I?
Yeah. What is genuine advice?
You should good. I mean, you're building more muscles. It would look good on you because you have
Yeah.
height and.
He's going into that age also. Bulkiness. Nice one. Yeah, that's true. Okay, Salman Khan. I think you're a Shah Rukh Khan fan, right? I heard that somewhere.
I am Abito, I'm
Okay.
just a fan. I'm just everybody's fan. So Salman Khan, Stacey.
Oh, very intelligent. He is intelligent as well. Okay, let's put that out there. Sabah Kamar Zaman.
There's so much more for you, and you're gonna get it, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't do so.
Ali Raza.
Ali Raza, that's a good.
Okay, there's not advice.
It's not advice. Like,
You're just
okay.
asking money.
Advice. Keep my account number next time I ask for money.
Oh,
Just to be
nice.
on the safe side.
Just to be on the safe side.
Ah.
Okay, last
Stop
one.
building more muscles.
Okay, last one. Zara Nurabas.
Blank. I mean, there's. I
She's
don't-
right outside the car, like in the room, right?
But what advice do I give her? Like,
She's amazing, yeah.
She's amazing, of course, but there's no advice as such.
Okay. What's your guilty pleasure?
I do the random stuff. I don't know, like sometimes it can be just Nothing specific.
Okay.
I'm very complicated and yet not so complicated person.
Why would you say that?
Depends on what time you read.
Afternoons?
No, the time of my life, not during the day or like time of sleep.
Are you a romantic person? As in like person life, are you romantic? Like कोई कुछ लोग होते हैं that they're romantic, some are like not like very realistic as well. So are you like romantic buff कि हाँ मैंने एक fantasy बनाई है कि for like my better half should we do this together, we do that together types.
I do think of stuff and all that, put stuff up in my head.
But you never मतलब
अभी तो बहुत काम रहता है.
what time?
Kind of stuff that I've cooked.
I'm not asking जैसे निदा पूछती निदा यहाँ से मैं बात कर रहा हूँ तो पूछती आप शादी कब करेंगे मैं ऐसे सवाल नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ तो ऐसे ही
जब तारीख
शुगर
आ
कोट
जाएगी. जब तारीख आ जाएगी.
जब तारीख आ जाएगी but I'm
There's
just
no, I'm not.
okay you're not looking into that
No,
sort of chapter
no, not right now. Not right now.
okay girls
Not right
दिल टूट गया मुझे आवाज़
now.
आई
Girls, you do. मैंने नहीं करी सर.
गर्ल्स की टूट गई
That's how you're. That's how. I
See?
meant was that you said.
नहीं safe अच्छा last few questions I know
Go for it.
you have to be somewhere else but I mean it's just
Yeah, you should, right?
I just had to wrap this
Put this
up.
on.
So just I'm putting it on him.
Yeah.
But Tushar, I had an amazing time with you, and I've heard from so many people around me as well. Like in the industry, obviously we talk a lot and we gossip a lot because हमारा काम ही है.
Stop doing that.
I can't.
No, it's not.
That's like.
You do it.
आप
Wood check.
आप लोग ना करें बच्चों के लिए हानिकारक है बट हम कर सकते हैं. But I've heard so much about कि he's very disciplined. He is punctual on set. I've seen it today also. You know your stuff. You don't interfere in people's business as many people do. So where did it came from? Like वो कहाँ से आया? वो बचपन से एक चीज़ आप में इंग्रेव हुई या with time you've learned that?
No, it's that I don't care about वो चीज़ें. Like I don't know how to answer this question. It's just a thing, inbuilt thing. I don't care about anybody else's life and all that. No, जिनको मैं नहीं जानता हूँ अपने ताल्लुक नहीं, so I don't really entertain that.
Yeah.
So.
But I found you like my perspective, if that matters. My perspective is that you're a very chill person. At the same time, you know your boundaries and you know that other person's boundaries also. कि वो कहाँ तक आपके साथ infiltrate कर
Yes,
सकते हैं.
because I'm not too quick to judge. I take my time to understand a person, and then I would speak to them only then if I understand them. थोड़ा बहुत भी कैसे इनको क्या हुआ है उस हिसाब से I speak to them. But other than that, I don't have any
Are you a person of award or reward?
reward.
For time.
Always reward. When I'm
And what is your biggest reward that you manifest कि अच्छा आगे जाके मैंने ये चीज़ अगर की तो ये मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा reward.
I'm yet to they get that.
Yeah, but what is that? What is that level?
I just want to show it a good time. Inshallah.
And I फिर एक और बंदी का नाम लूँगा क्योंकि ये सारा कुछ यहाँ से देखते हैं but नहीं नाम लेता छोड़ो but बात बता you are into production as well I've heard
I'm into production as well.
like not abhi but in the future you also want to be in production.
If I have shit ton of money then.
You will have.
Inshallah.
Don't you have now?
Shit ton of money?
Yeah.
What is
I
shit
heard
ton?
actors earn a lot.
You've heard it. Since मैं बात कर रही
नहीं मैंने देखा भी है किसी
कुल कितना पैसा लेते हैं? And do you think that's shit ton?
but सही है पाकिस्तान में ये मिल जाए काफी है.
When you know that your work is not going to be compromised, when I'm doing production, I want to make sure that
Everything
I
is
have it.
perfect and
Yes,
seamless.
like I'm not going to compromise.
One of your favorite project of yours?
Oh, that is.
एक होगा जो अब वो I'm not saying about the storyline और ये इस वजह से but वो ऐसे होते हैं कि आपके दिल में वो घर कर जाता है कि हाँ ये project ना मुझे वैसे ही बहुत अच्छा लगा.
I'm looking forward to the project. No, I mean it in a way that every project that I've done has been an experience itself.
I think Dunyaapur for me was a very cool project in
You
Pakistani. Yeah, I've watched few episodes obviously, not like
Which
entirely
one?
followed the first two. The first two, but the production value of that thing is huge.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's huge. That's
Yeah.
like not compromise work
Yeah.
when it comes to drums.
So I like green also. The way
Colour. The channel.
The channel. They are paying me money to say this.
They are?
Just kidding. I'm just hoping they do one day. मतलब सही है. But Khushal, thank you so much for your time. It was fantastic talking to you and having this conversation. Honestly, I was looking forward to this. मैं रात को सोते हुए ये सोच रहा था कि क्या सवाल करूँगा. अब यहाँ बैठ के मैं सारे भूल गया. मैं genuinely just.
Perfect. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
मैं rapid fire भी करने वाला था, बड़ा controversial सब मैंने कहा छोड़ो कोई बात नहीं. He's a good guy.
He's a good guy. Keep it
हाँ,
perfect.
ना it's cool.
Man, thank you so much.
ऐसा नहीं था ना. Just to our audience, say like and subscribe and share this interview. ये होना चाहिए जरूर.
Like and subscribe to
Sunday Times.
Sunday Times and yeah.
Yeah, my YouTube channel is not launched yet, but yeah, soon. Inshallah. Soon to be.
If he's a nice guy.
22nd December for this cover to come. So you at the end of the year are gem. Thank you guys, and this is sign out for this.